to demonstrate, show you the different stitches, the 12 different stitches. So without further ado, let's start. So first, we have to remove this cover of the needle plate. Then it's needle plate, so I have to say it's needle plate, but I think this is the needle plate. Anyway, just like that. It's either towards here or towards here, it's up to you. So next, you have to put the thread here. You may put this one. This is the inclusion of this package for this part, for this spool pin. You may use this one or any, as long as it fit in here. Okay, so I'm going to use this one because this thread. Okay, and then there you go. And then around the thread guide, I mean the tension disc, it's not. There you go. Okay, under the tension disc, and we'll take up lever. There you go. Take up lever, then you have to move this towards you counterclockwise to lower this. See? The movement is towards you only. Okay? So you have to move this. See that? See that hole? Move. Okay? Just like that. And then move. And then move another roll to elevate. Just like that. And then I'm going to insert this into the needle. So there you go. Make sure that it is unplugged. You see the adapter? It's the same. So it's already inserted. Okay, just like that. That's the how you insert needle thread. Okay. Needle thread. The thread. Okay. So you have to get the supporter here, here, over, I'm just excited for that. You have to insert this. Okay, just like that. It's already inserted through the needle, and then you have to hand wheel. You have to move the hand wheel towards you and pulling this. There you go. I'm pulling this part so it catches the thread here. There you go. And Just like that. Just like that. Okay. The thread here went through there. Okay. So the thread there is very long, so I am winding this backward. Okay, let's put our cloth and press the lever down here, put lever down, so the pressure foot will be lifted down, just like that. So clamp the cloth, and you have to move number 1. It's either way, either here, this way, or this way. It's up to you. I tried rolling it backward and forward. It's still functioning. So let's start with number 1. Should be this arrow. Okay. So that's it. Number 1. So the number 1. Now I'm going to plug the machine. I move the handwheel twice first to make sure needle is okay. That's number 1. Okay. Then it's either I will use the pedal or this switch. This is the low, this is the high. It turns off when you're at the middle. This one, if you press this, it doesn't click. So you can't leave it. Here. When you release this, it will turn back here at the above. So let's go to the patterns. Let's start. That's number 1. Look at that, number 1. That's number 1. See? That's number 1. Can you see it? Number 1. Okay. Let's go to number 2. Just like that. And then move the lever down. And then once again, it's either foot pedal or this one. So I use this one for number 2. That's number 2 stitch. Stop. Raise the lever up. So when the needle is down, just like this one, I have to move this part, hand wheel towards me, clockwise, always clockwise, towards me to raise the needle, just like that, as long as it's elevated, so it won't click on the cloth. So number 2, just the same. It's a little bit bigger. So number 3, let's move a little bit so we can differentiate. Number 3, there you go. Once again, 1, 2, and then raise the lever and the needle, so it's a bit bigger. You see, for number 1, 2, 3, this one is so tight, this 2 is a bit tight, and this one is a little loose, so that's number 3. Let's go to number 4. Now let's go back to our cloth. Number 4, let's move a bit so we can differentiate. There you go. 1, 2. Then there you go. And the needle is inserted inside, so we have to lift it by moving this handle, so it will be raised or be lifted, just like that. And then that's number 4. And that's number 4. See the stitch number 4. Above is the stitch number 3. Then next is number 2. Then above is number 1. This one. So let's move to stitch number 5. There you go. I'm just rotating the cloth to be used for another stitch. Then put the foot lever down. Have to cut this. And I have to pull this one. This should be long enough. Sure, you have to pull this very slowly. This too, I have to cut this. It's for the underneath bobbin, below bobbin here. There's no other bobbin. So it's for number 4. Number 5. Repeat procedure. Oh no. You have to remove this one. No. Okay. You have to pull more. 1 and then 2. There you go. Number 5. Raise the needle. I forgot. Sorry. That's the number 5. You see that? Number 5. Let's see the stitch. There you go. Is it same? Same? I guess it is. So let's proceed to stitch number 6. Foot lever down. 1, 2. There you go. Foot lever up. The stitch number 6. See? Look at that. Oh, nice. It's the same. So stitch number, foot lever down, 7. Sometimes it's harder to roll this part. Then 1, 2. Oh wait. 7. So go. There you go. Lever up. Middle up. There you go. That's stitch number 7. C7. Nice. Nice and fine. Yan pala, Pilipino tayo kaya may saging. So, let's move to stitch number 8. That's a banana. The one shouted out outside. So, clear it down. Stitch number 8. Let's see. Last one. This is for button. 1, 2, and then go. That's for the button. So, the needle is inside. So you have to raise, doing clockwise on the bobbin wheel. Hand wheel. Sorry, bobbin wheel. Not bobbin wheel. Hand wheel. So this is it. This is for the buttons. It's stitch number 8. See? The arrow is number 8. This is number 8. And this is the pattern. So let's move to number 9. There you go. Put lever down already. Move to stitch 1, 2, and then go. Up, lever. The needle is okay. There you go. Raise the needle. Stitch number 9. See? That is the stitch number 9. So fine. Last one. So stitch number 9. So let's move to stitch number 10. 1, 2. Move the lever. Yes, ma'am. Number 10. There you go. Number up. Let me see. Yun. See? That's number 10. It's a bit loose. Okay? The number 9 is a bit finer. So let's go to number 11. Put pressure down. Turn this knob to 11. This is 11. Sample 1, 2, 1 handle. Okay. What is this? Lever up. This one is 11. There you go. 11 is a bit loose. Then 10. See? Okay. And the last one. Put pressure down. Twice. 1, 2. And then there you go. Move. Just move. Number 12. Okay. Middle up. So this is number 12. See? Number 12 is a bit loose, a bit bigger than number 11. So this is the sample. See? 12 on the stitch and 12 here. This is the reality pattern. And this is the drawing. So I have to pull this one. And there you go. That's the light. I have to turn this off and pull the plug for safety purposes. Okay, you see, This is the number 1. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 at the middle for the bottom, 9, 10, sorry, this 11, and the last one is 12. Okay, that's the 12 stitches. So many options for this machine. Okay, see that. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. See you for the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.